So it's Neil here from Boatshed. I'm on board this Cutlass 27, just showing a quick internal. So pretty basic setup for the galley. The stove is on chock, so can stay in position. Got food storage, saucepans, whatever else like that. Coming round, again, plenty of cupboards and storage. So the original upholstery has been covered up by these yellow fluffy covers, which makes it a little more pleasant to live in. More storage there. Going forward, in here we've got storage locker, which I'll show you in a moment, through into the forward area, which has got a hatch there. So I'll come right forward into here. Little cozy. Spin us round, looking back that way. And then here is the heads. And heads there. And then if I open this little cupboard up in here, you can see there's a variety of storage areas in there. And then back into the main cabin. Storage. Little sail cave there for keeping excess sails and extra equipment there. And as I say, as you can see on the details, very basic electrics, just wired up to take 12-volt supplies, and a new depth sounder installed. So there we go, there's the little Cutlass 27. More information on boatshed.com.